It's Chriso. I'm just doing the seat now, which is pretty cool. If you've got enough room in your shower, have a seat, people. You know, make sure your shower is big enough. You have a seat, a nice niche. You're laughing. It's paradise. DIYs, if you go out and get one of these, just be a little bit careful, because one time I was turning it on and I was pressing it against my body to get control of it so I could push the button. A button here, I used to have a DeWalt, and the button was at the back here. But with this one, I was holding it against my body, and I turned it on and it caught my shirt. Oh shit, I'll tell you. Anyway, you get that, and that's how accidents occur. But you know, it wasn't too bad. It all just jammed up with my shirt, and you know, not super bad. But anyway, just be careful, is all I'm saying. Now, I've got a 5mm slope in this, so when the water runs, it'll just run off nicely with a 5mm slope. Let's get a bit on with my trowel. It's the last part of my glue. It's reaching knock-off time, nearly. Nice hunk of glue. Nice. I just want a bit of glue on that edge to pick up that aluminium. Where are my clips? So yeah, what I said before, tomorrow's a holiday, so when I come back on Friday, I'll do a bit of a clean up, couple more things to do, and then I'll be grouting. Grout her up. Oh, you're full. Wrong edge. No biggie. Oh, still the wrong edge. It's coming to the end of the day. Well, that's my excuse anyway. I've just about had enough for today. What you can't do in one day, you just do the next. You got to have that nice, because a bare bum will be sitting on that. Okay, where's my triangle piece? So you're here. Now, even though that is going to the corner, that grout line, still don't have it in two pieces. That's stupid. Have it in one. You're using big tiles. You don't go cutting the hell out of them and make them smaller. You don't do that, people. Clean it out of. Clean out your grout line a little. Because when all that's grouted, the owner doesn't come and go, oh, that line's not carrying on through. No. You don't, you always cut it. You don't do heaps of small cuts. But I'm just telling you. You can make up your own mind. But you do always feel with those little suckers. And that's it. That's the seat done. Sit on it. When it's dry, the niche is done. That's ready to go. I'll do that now, and then I've just got up there and around the top to do, and the architraves to cut. I could set this, I can mix up some mud and set the strip drain in. What's time? No, I haven't got time. I've got to go and see this bloke, my next job. Otherwise I'll be into another half an hour or so. So I'll zap up though, I'll do those and have a bit of a clean up. That's cool. See you soon.